Yo, I haven't vlogged in a month. Yo, hi guys. I just woke up. I just finished exercising. I'm going to brush my teeth. I'm going to make some smoothie. I'm going to take a shower. And then I want to shoot content for TikTok and YouTube, my skincare channel. I have a channel, by the way, a skincare channel. But then I haven't yet made it public. So I'm just testing something there. But then, yeah, I'll tell you guys when to subscribe on that channel. So far, I have 13 subscribers that I don't know of. Like, people that I don't know. Just random people in the world who just subscribed to my channel. And so far, it's doing so well. Views. I'm getting more views compared to this channel. And then, yeah, man, I was so disappointed, like, on my previous vlog. I was so disappointed, but then we are not there. And then let me just go brush my teeth. I had like a slow ondala, but then it's polile manje. To show you such things. But then, yeah, let me go wash my teeth, like freshen up. I think I'm going to take a full shower. So yeah, let me do that and have my breakfast. And yeah, we'll catch up with you guys. So guys, I just finished making a smoothie. In here is banana, peanut butter, chia seed, oats, milk, and cinnamon. Yeah. Nandi Shem. Nandi. I'm going to bath now. I wanted to take a shower, but then Aman's aya abandoned. Apparently they woke up early. Umuntu decided to wash ngamanzi ashisayo, so there's no hot water. Okay guys, so I'm done taking a shower now. I'm going to shoot. I just did my baby hair in case I decide to tie my hair. But girl, yeah, when I girl, I don't wanna lie. I did my hair in Pretoria, Navy House, next to ShopRite. You know that flat moves. That's where I did my hair. So yeah, man, I look so pretty. I love it, and that's period, child. So now let me go and shoot content for my YouTube and TikTok. And yeah, man, guys, me gaina like, what's this? Like, I'm not happy. So that's why I decided to do some stomach exercise just for a week. Engineers is being right. Basically, like, it's winter, so every morning you know, those kind of things. But yeah, man, I look so pretty. Yeah, I look so pretty. So niyabona ukuthi le nto beniyibona before i-video le, before, yeah, yabo, before ngeza, yabo, it's so yeah, man, let me go shoot. I love myself, Sana. Like, what do you mean? Yo guys, I've never been pissed off like this in my life. I just recorded a 7-minute video that was on slow motion. Yes. Yo, now I must start afresh. I must start afresh. I couldn't see my content creation. Anyways guys, I was just showing you in that video, on slow motion video, I was just showing you guys my PR packages that I'm currently working on. So I have these 2 boxes here. let me start with Garnier. This is the PR package. I'm not happy with the packaging. Garnier, you can do better, my dear. Like, you can do better. So like just as if we are saying like me tata, you are not happy. So this is the shampoo. This is the shampoo for Garnier, and this is the conditioner. This conditioner smells so nice. Even the shampoo, like everything smells like honey, sweet, like everything summer, everything summer, everything fresh. It smells so nice. I've already done video 1 for this campaign, but then I asked to be excused on video 2 because yeah, some personal reasons. I'm not doing video 2 for this campaign. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. But then I'm not happy with the packaging, and we did complain about the packaging, like not happy. And then video 2, this brand reached out to me. This brand reached out to me throughout their agency. I'm gatekeeping the agency. The agency for Garnier is Styling Concept. This person is running my vlog. The agency for this campaign, I'm gatekeeping it. For this brand, I'm gatekeeping it. Yeah, you can hate me for that, I don't care. For Garnier, it's Styling Concept. Like, I feel like everyone knows it by now. And then I'm not gonna show you guys these products, but they look so pretty. Like the color, the packaging, like everything. It's like, I was so impressed. So I need to deliver the best content for this brand, and the fact that they approached me, like, it means a lot to me. So thank you so much, Biorenew, for reaching out to me. Can't wait to deliver the best content for you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I talked a lot on that slow motion video. I don't remember some of the things that I said, but then now I'm going to do my skincare vlog and do it for TikTok as well. But I'm going to start with YouTube because I have a skincare channel which is doing pretty much better than my vlog channel. Like, I'm not impressed. So I spoke about watching my YouTuber community vlogs. I will catch up on your vlogs, guys. Why is the sun? I'll catch up on your vlogs, guys. I will do catch up on your vlogs probably next week Saturday, or that other Saturday. That's where I'll be freed, and the whole of September, somewhere there, I'll be catching up. And yeah, I mean, so do watch my vlogs, and I will give you guys my skincare channel link when I'm ready to do so. For now, I just want to test something there by my skincare channel, but so far it's doing so well. I have 13 subscribers. I think I mentioned that, but I'm not gonna talk a lot about my channel for now. But it's doing better than this channel. That's what I can say. In terms of views, I'm so happy. My vlogs, my shorts are getting more, like, I mean more. You get it? They're getting more views than my shorts here on my vlog channel. So yeah, let me stop yapping and start creating content because I need this light before the sun just decide to go away. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys when I'm done recording.
That's why I sit funny. So many handouts, so much backbending, so much entitlement. My family be acting in so many white diamonds. Yeah, I got jungle fever, but they didn't raise me. So shout out black women. So much commenting. Show me what you good at. Tell me the highs of the valley that your boots stood at. You couldn't fit in my loafers if you took a steroid, and I wouldn't handle your baggage if I had a bellboy. I'm rarely replying to texts, barely enjoying the sex. I got a pain in my chest. That's from suppressing the stress. Lionel, he know me the best. Told me I know the answer, but Clancy, he gave me the best advice that I heard in a sec. I need to call me a jet. I need to pack me a bag. I need to get me a cab and need some scrimmage and chess. I could have bought me some land. I wouldn't flood in my neck. I say this shit with my chest. I'm like one of the best. I'm a workaholic and I need to give me some rest. I'd rather get these ideas off. I'd rather not steer off my path. I'm so scared of going back to my past. I work. I swear it's hard not shaking that fear off. White boy said I brag too much. The black kid said it's inspiring. Duality is tiring. My girl would kill me if she knew the things I was desiring. Suppressing it. Get it out the way. I put the sirens in. Yeah.
Look, I'm gonna do some good things like no phone shoot. Come on, shoot that alien. How big is it?
What's our rikichu? Guava juice, okay? Bachela, Tony, classy.
Hi guys, welcome to another day in my vlog. I just came back from town now. I wanted to buy medication for this, like Londa Paul. I want to log Paul then really la. So I went to mom the local choice pharmacy. Yeah, I went to pharmacy and then I got this. And then I just applied it, and then I'll apply another one after like an hour or two. I also bought allergics, and then I went to the fruits and veg market. I got my favorite. If you know me, Sana, you know that pineapple is my favorite. I got pineapple, and then I'll be snacking on pineapple, to be honest. Like, I bought blueberries, strawberries, and banana. This is for my breakfast. Either I'm making smoothie or jungle oats or weeklies. This is for my breakfast. And then I bought Avors at ShopRite because I want to cook like for this week, because I'm going to work until Thursday, from Monday to Thursday. So I'll be cooking for 2 days. Maybe I'll make tin fish and pasta, and then the other day I'll make pap and horse, and then I'm off. Then that's why I'll buy groceries after. I also bought my favorite sana, like this. I love tunnels, like in tinkies or whatever. I love them so much. And then I also bought toilet papers. Yeah, that's it from now. And then I think I'm going to end this vlog here because I have nothing to show. I have nothing to vlog, guys. One thing about me, any chance I get, I sleep. Even now, after making a smoothie, I'm going to sleep. I'm going to sleep after making this smoothie. And yeah, I don't know what we are below. Guys, like, I don't even feel comfortable being on a camera with my mouth looking like this. Like, yeah. Hopefully by the end of the week ngizobenge right, because what is this? So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate your support. Please do subscribe and do watch my vlogs from the beginning to the end. Is a banana, my banana. Okay, bye.
I don't mean I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business come me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know I'm scared, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows it. Oh, stay out the way. I need you to get the fuck out my space. The basement's on the way, please don't play. Pussy's feeling like a great escape. I need a new drink, gold eyes on chains. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. Got a new bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving surface, calling on my favorite. You know how to reach me every time that it pays you right. Rise up and fly, we committed a crime. Way over long, the most sacred spot. We can't be outside, cause I'm back against the crowd. Am I on your mind? Wherever you are, don't call me. Tell them it's true. I'm out the loop, I'm out of range. Turning on the saddle, me, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business got me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I'm ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows shit. Even though I'm ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows shit. I need total confidential privacy. No one know thinking I'm a robot. Time so strange that we on the first class trip. Don't work my nerves, you know I can board it. We fucking, we ain't making love no more. You talk that talk, but you know.
I want y'all to trust me when I say I made the best smoothies ever. Like, these slaps. Like, I'm going to cook for lunch, yaksasa, and then I'm going to sleep. It's around 11:45 now, and guys, I'll eat smoothies like every day. Trust me.